Fill for future offers and alerts. The menu bar. Click this feature to register. Click Select option to choose buyer or seller registration. The registered users can enter their user ID or email for buyer or seller. If you're already registered, enter email ID or username here, buyer and seller. Can log in with Facebook or Google accounts to only for buyer. Logged person name or email ID visible here. Let's click on any product to buy. Indicates the stock availability. Indicates who is selling the product, seller details. Click Specifications to view specifications of the product. Click Compare Offers to see the comparison of the product prices. Indicates store price of the product from the selected store. This is the actual price from store. Indicates the savings made from the actual price of the product. Click Visit Store to go to the selected store via Google navigation for directly buying from the store. This is an online price of the product. Click here to buy online or to visit store.
Indicates the online price of the product. Indicates the actual price of the product.
Indicates the savings made from the actual price of the product. Add to cart is to buy the product online. Indicates store price of the product from the selected store. Click here to buy online or to visit store. Click to select city and the area from where you need the product from. Click to enter the coupon code here. Click on the checkout feature for buying the product. Click this feature to add the new shipping address. Click this feature to edit the address. Click to continue. This indicates the delivery or shipping address. Shows the total amount of the products. Click Place Order to confirm. Select your favorite payment option. Receipt of the order confirmation of the product. Click Menu, Purchase Order to view the confirmed order details. Click on View to see order details. Indicates the order number and product details, including billing and shipping address. Click to cancel the order.